In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a high converting landing page using Systemeio. So if you don't know how to create a landing page, this will show you everything you need to know step by step. Let's get straight into it. I'm going to use Systemeio. These are landing pages I've created already. I'll click on create and I need to name it. The product is called Record app. I'll show you quick. This is the product I'm about to promote, and it's a video editor and a podcast editor. What it does is it removes silence from your video or your podcast, and it saves you time. I really like it, and I'm an affiliate for this company. And by the way, if you use my link, you're gonna get 10% off. Just to show you what I'm about to promote. Let's go back. I'll click on build an audience because that's what I want. If you want to sell a product, like your own products, you can use this one. If you want to create custom funnel from scratch, you can use this, but I don't want to. Run an evergreen webinar, you can click on this. But in this tutorial, let's move on. We don't need any of this. And I'm keeping the US currency as default. Save. I don't really need it. That's how the program is set up. Click on it. So it's saved. I'm gonna go in, and what I'm about to create, I don't want my prospect to be doing too much. Hover and remove. Confirm. There are a lot of templates that you can choose from. A whole bunch of them you can go through, but I'll keep it simple and I'll select this one. I need to name this landing page /funnel. The purpose of this landing page is to sell a video editor or a video app. I'll say video editing app. Because in most cases, landing pages hardly rank on Google, but for SEO purposes, you want to use keywords. So I'll copy this, Control C, and I'll delete this, and I'll put it here because I want the name to be same. That will be the extension, my domain name / this extension. If you use your Gmail address, it's going to be the name of your email address /Systemeio subdomain, and it's not professional. I advise you to buy your own domain and connect it, and I have tutorial on it. I'll drop it in the description box. Click save. It says this is not valid. Yeah, I have to keep a dash in between. Click save. Changes saved. We have to go in to edit it. I'll just delete this one, delete, and I'll delete this one as well. I'll go to settings and I'll delete the image down here. This image, I don't want it. Click on save. Right, everything is saved. I'll grab a text, click in here, grab a heading, and I'll go to my notes. This will be my heading. And are you tired of manually shifting through videos, through your video or podcast? I would like to keep it like this. Yeah, and I'll click save. I need another text. I'll go back and copy, Control C, paste it here, and this time around remove silent, and here, yeah, and I'll reduce this to 16, and you have to keep saving. What next? I need to bring an image here. I'll bring an image, drop it here, click on the image itself, and then I'm gonna push it to the max. Click save. But I want to push this up a bit. I'll just hover and let's see. Okay, I think this is good. It's just pushing it, and here click this one, click here. Let's see if I can, yeah, I can increase all the way. Click save. I need to click on this, like the setting of the image, and I'll go in here, click on image file, upload image. This is it. Open, insert. This is what I want. Click on save. This is good. I want to change the color of this. Let's see if I can find something interesting. This, that, or red, or this one. I think this is, and I'll bold it. Double Control A, bold it. I think it's not exact. You know what? I'll use red. Control A, just to keep it simple. Yeah, and save. Click here, and let's see if I can push it. No. Scroll down. I'll keep it simple like this. I need to add info, like the benefits of using this. What value can this product provide? I have everything written already. Find image boxes. I'll just drop this right here, right under, and I'll drop my stuff in here. Or better still, what I can do, I'll just undo. Yeah, then I'll click inside. Click, and I'll bring a text along, put it here, and I'll bring, these are dummy tests. Go back and I will highlight. I need to know how much. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3 each. I'll grab 3 for each box. and paste. Let me just enter, and here enter. These are all values that this product would serve. I'll go back 1 2 3. This is the last 3, and even inside this I'm making sure the keyword is not popping up. But instead I use the word this app. Save and save again. I'm providing value. It's good to keep it simple, and you'll be surprised how these simple things convert. I need a button. Scroll down. Even I can add a button here first before the other ones. I can do that. Let's say scroll down. This is the button. I can grab it and right under drop it. However, I'm gonna push this down a bit and top. Yeah, like this, and save. And after I'll put another one down here. Where's the button? And I'll drop one here again, then save. And I need a call to action. This will be the call to action. I can put it here, call to action. And also let's see, yeah, that's it. So I'll move over, click save first, and I need a line here. I need a line. I'll grab and I'll put a line right underneath. It's too close. I will undo, grab it and push it all the way, and I'll click on the line. However, when you see the line, the orange is like a little line. I want to, yeah, click on it. I'm gonna just push it up, let's say 20. Then I'll click save again, and I'll click inside and I'll grab another text right under this. I'll use this for my disclaimers. Save. I'll use my website disclaimers. I have one here. Oh, actually I can copy everything and just copy, Control C, go back and drop it. And what else? Double click. Yeah, and it's underlined already. I'll show you what I mean in the GIF. As you can tell, when you click on it, it's underlined already. But if you don't have your own website, you can use, let's say, come down here. You can write it, and just when you come here, just right click, copy link address. Then you come, let's say, for instance, if this is it, this is underlined, so I can't do anything. You just highlight, then you click on link, then you're gonna drop it and click on the save button. That's how you do it. But in my case, I have mine. I don't need it. I'm gonna just highlight this and reduce the size. It's reducing the other one as well, but that's, and I'll say, because with every landing page you need your disclaimers. You need it. I'll bring another text again, and I'll put something right here and click here, and I will reduce the size to 16, and I'll push it up to bring some space, and I'll go back here. I'm using this as an example. Double click and say, oh, actually I don't need this. I don't need it. Save. All right, I'm gonna have to work on the buttons. I'll click on it and I'll go here. As you can tell, this is this color. I will just go click on Colorzilla. This is a Chrome extension. It's free. Then click on it. This is the code. Go back, and I'm gonna change the color first. This is it. Click on it. Double click here and paste it. So paste. I don't know why the color code is not working, but that's crazy, yo. Could it be this? Click on here, delete, paste, still, Control V, no. Anyhow, I'll change the color to whatever. See, something like this. Something a little closer. This look more red to me. I'll just use red because it's not far from this. I don't know why the other thing is not working. I'll change the color as well to this. That's when you have her, it will not be like red and blue, stuff like that. I need to delete something here. Click save, go down, click here. Let's see what they have. Yeah, I'll say get started, something like that, and scroll down, and the sub test, I'm gonna delete it. I don't need it. And I can increase the font if I want to, let's see, whatever, keep it 22 by 20. Is save again. I'm gonna do same here, get started, and delete this sub test. I'll change this to red, scroll down and change this to red as well. Save. This is providing value. This is the landing page. There's one thing I need to show you, and it's called social proof. That is when people give testimonies about the product. I'll show you. I'll go testimonials, stuff like this. What I'll do, I need a copy of this. So I'll go back here and I'll go to right here. Let me see if I can punch it right here. Yeah, good. Click on the photo and just push it to the max. Scroll down and I will screenshot. I'll use snipping tool, click new, this screenshot all the way down here, and I'll show you why I'm using them. Right click, save as. So I'll say record testimonials screenshot, save, close it, and go back, click on here and image file. Click on image file, select file, scroll down. That's this one. This is it. Open, insert, bam. Testimonials are really important. Trust me, you can do this thing right without having testimonials. It's very important. This is a high converting landing page. I need to bring heading, put it right here, drop it, and I will say testimonials from creators. Alright, so I'll keep it at H3. This is good. And I'll click save. This landing page has everything that you can think of. This is a high converting landing page. Let's continue. So as you can tell, I've moved stuff around and I put the click button here. So it's just two. Yeah, information like value, then call to action, testimonials, call to action. The next thing we have to do is to create email list, also known as tag with Systemeio, but it depends on which website builder you are using. They have different names for it. Normally, if we are not capturing email addresses, I'm gonna just click on the button and I'll just go here, send form. Always make sure it's on send form. Then I'll click here and to a custom URL. Then I'll click here, then I'll drop the link here, then I'll click save. But I want to capture email addresses. I'm gonna switch it. It's back to normal. What I'll do next, instead of this, I'll create a pop-up because pop-ups convert well. I'll click on pop-up. So add pop-up. See, I have my pop-up here. Here, I'll change this a bit and I'll add first name and I'll change these things. You'll see what I'm gonna do. Just watch. First, I'm gonna highlight here to change. Keep this, change the color. I'll reduce the text a bit. I believe 26 will be good, and I'll reduce the line height to this. Actually, let me change this. Yeah, this is what I want. And I'll click save first. I'll just highlight this. Click on edit pop-up settings. Let me see if I can change this highlight, and I'll change this to red. That's good. This is what I want, and I'll keep this the way it is, and I'll click save. The next thing I'll do, I will add a form. So add a form here, drop it, and I will click here and I'll change this to first name. Type is first name, and I'll click save. Always save your way out. And email, I want this to start with capital E. Hover and click on the settings and scroll. Instead of email like small caps, I will change it to capital E. Save it. I want to work on this. Click on the settings, then I'll scroll down. Where it says click here, I will say get started, and the subtext, I don't want it. This is it. I'll just delete it. Is this? I want to delete it, and I'll change the color. Let's see, I have one here, I have one there. Change to red. Let's go red, and I will go down again and I'll change this to red. Sorry. Okay, so save. We need to link it to the sales page. I'm gonna click here, that's the button, and send form. Then after that, custom URL. If you don't see it, just click the arrow down and select it. That's how I'm gonna copy and paste it here. I'll click redirection URL, click here and paste my affiliate link. In your case, your affiliate link might look different. That's find the right affiliate link and drop it. I'll click save. If you want to enable double opt-in, that means people have to go to their email address to confirm before they can go back. That's too much for your prospect. They might end up running away. Save. I'm gonna change this. Your email address is 100% secure. I will take out the word "we hate spam." I don't like that, and I like italics. It looks nice like that. And I'm gonna click on the button again. Instead of going to pop-up, this time around, I'll go to action when button, click on the send form and select pop-up. As you can tell, pop-up, select a pop-up, then it's pop-up number 2 within this particular funnel. Like I told you earlier on, I click one add pop-up by mistake. I end up doing double pop-ups. I deleted the first one. That's why it's working with the second one. Yeah, always be careful you don't really touch the add pop-up when you click already, because if you click and they keep adding, and it's gonna be confusing because you don't know which one you are working with. I'll save and save again. I'll come down here, click again, and I'll make sure change it to pop-up and select the pop-up. It's pop-up number 2, and I'll save and save. That's it. It's time to create the tag. I'll hover and I'll hover under contacts and click on create, and I'll name it record app. Because I have the squeeze page name record app, I will make it record app list. It will not confuse me. Save, it's saved. The next thing to do is to link it. I'll go to my funnel, and the tag is easy with Systemeio. Trust me, easy compared to other website builders I've used. Then go into my funnel again, or the landing page. Like I said earlier, my funnel name is record app, so that's why I decided to add list. Next, I'm gonna have to click on automation rules. Click on it and scroll down. They keep changing things. Let me reduce the size a bit. Website builder, a fan of this. Sometimes you might be thrown off from what you used to know, but you just have to play around to see where is everything. If you can't find something, just look around. Click on add rule. What's the rule? Actually, let me increase from here. This is add a trigger, right? Final step form subscribe. When a contact has just subscribed to a form, I click on it. I was doing it inside this. I need to make sure I will select the rule, edit, add action, add tag, and what I did before getting here is gonna be added to my general contacts. That's why you are doing this. Next thing to do, click the arrow down because we need to add the tag, and this is the tag record app list. Click on it and save rule. It's saved, which means when people subscribe to this particular offer, it's gonna go to this tag. Then review funnel. This is the funnel. Click get started, and you see the pop-up pop. Then you have to enter your first name, like the client or the prospect has to enter the first name and the email address. I will test it and you see get started. Bam, it brought me to the sales page, and this is my affiliate link. It has my Blogsdom name. I'll go to contact, and as you can see, record app list, 1 today, 1 total. This is how you set up a high converting landing page using Systemeio. This landing page looks simple, but trust me, it converts a lot. You have everything to convince your prospect. This is the end of the tutorial. If you find value in it, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to not miss my next video upload.